Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned salmon taste good. First, always drain the liquid from your canned salmon. This simple step removes any unwanted metallic notes. Next, gently flake the salmon with a fork, preparing it to absorb new flavors. To instantly brighten the taste, add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a small splash of apple cider vinegar. For a richer texture and flavor, stir in about 1 tablespoon of good quality mayonnaise or extra virgin olive oil. To further enhance your canned salmon, focus on texture and richness. Finely diced celery or red onion provides a wonderful crunch, contrasting nicely with the soft salmon. Fresh herbs such as dill, parsley, or chives introduce vibrant, aromatic notes that elevate the overall flavor profile. For a subtle yet impactful tang, mix in about 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. If you desire a creamier consistency and healthy fats, a quarter of a mashed avocado works wonders. Canned salmon is incredibly versatile for various dishes. You can easily make delicious salmon patties by combining it with a few tablespoons of breadcrumbs and 1 beaten egg, then pan-frying them until golden. For a classic, quick meal, prepare a simple salmon salad with mayonnaise, finely chopped celery, and your favorite seasonings. It also serves as an excellent protein addition to pasta dishes or hearty grain bowls. Consider stuffing bell peppers or tomatoes with seasoned salmon for a light, flavorful dinner. For super quick flavor enhancements, don't forget your pantry staples. Season generously with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and a dash of garlic powder to bring out its natural taste. If you enjoy a little heat, a dash of your favorite hot sauce or a few red pepper flakes will add a spicy kick. For a creamy spread, combine it with 2 tablespoons of softened cream cheese and fresh herbs. Serve this versatile mixture on crackers, toast, or crisp lettuce cups for an easy, satisfying snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.